A collector's dream unveiling Bentley's electric future. The Bentley Mulliner Batur isn't just another opulent coupe. It's a pivotal chapter in the illustrious history of the British marque. Crafted by Mulliner, Bentley's in-house coach building division, the Batur is a breathtakingly beautiful and fiercely powerful limited edition masterpiece. A farewell to the W12, a bridge to the future. With a production run restricted to just 18 units, the Batur signifies the culmination of Bentley's iconic W12 engine era. This legendary powerplant, renowned for its effortless power and smooth delivery, reaches its most potent iteration yet in the Batur. Boasting a staggering 740-plus horsepower and 1,003 Nm of torque, the Batur promises an exhilarating grand touring experience that is both thrilling and refined, a true send-off for this beloved engine. The Bentley Mulliner Batur is not just a powerhouse, it's a harbinger of a design revolution at Bentley. Moving away from the classic design ethos, the Batur introduces a new design language that's sleek, minimalist, and muscular. This fresh aesthetic, characterized by sharp lines and a clean stance, is a clear indication of the direction Bentley is taking as it prepares for its future range of battery electric vehicles, BEVs. This shift in design philosophy demonstrates Bentley's capacity for innovation, ensuring that even as they evolve, they maintain the elegance and timeless appeal that the brand is known for. It's a delicate balance between honoring the past and embracing the future, and the Batur stands as a testament to Bentley's commitment to this balance. The Bentley Mulliner Batur stands as a testament to Bentley's dedication to custom luxury and craftsmanship. We will delve into its distinctive features and design in detail, starting with the exterior design. New design language. The Batur is a bold departure from traditional Bentley styling, showcasing sharper lines, a more aggressive stance, and a minimalist aesthetic. This design language will influence future Bentley models, particularly their electric vehicle lineup. Its sleek, aerodynamic form not only optimizes performance and efficiency but also radiates a powerful and elegant aura. Signature lighting. The vehicle's presence on the road is accentuated by the distinctive light signature created by its slim LED headlights and taillights. Unique 22-inch wheels. The Batur's commanding presence and spirited character are highlighted by the custom-designed 22-inch alloy wheels. Interior design. Luxurious materials. The interior is adorned with the most exquisite materials, featuring artisanal leather, eco-friendly natural fiber composites, and 3D printed accents in 18K gold. Driver-focused cockpit. The driver-centric layout ensures easy access to controls and a commanding view of the road. Advanced technology. The latest infotainment and driver assistance systems provide a seamless and intuitive driving experience. The Mulliner's Bespoke program allows each customer to personalize their Batur with unique colors, materials, and finishes. Performance and powertrain. Most powerful Bentley ever. The Batur boasts a 740 horsepower W12 engine, making it the most potent Bentley ever produced. Effortless acceleration. The engine's immense power translates to exhilarating acceleration and effortless cruising. Advanced chassis technologies. A sophisticated chassis and suspension system ensure exceptional handling and a comfortable ride. Unique features. Sustainable materials. The Batur incorporates sustainable materials, such as natural fiber composites, as part of Bentley's commitment to environmental responsibility. 3D printed gold accents. 3D printed 18K gold details add a touch of exclusivity and luxury to the interior. Limited production. Only 18 Batur coupes will be produced, making it an extremely rare and collectible automobile. Overall impression. The Bentley Mulliner Batur represents a pinnacle of automotive artistry and engineering. It marries state-of-the-art technology with time-honored craftsmanship, offering a driving experience that is both unique and memorable. Although its cost may be prohibitive for many, the Batur offers a preview of Bentley's future in design and performance. Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to stay updated with our latest content. Promote this video by sharing it and subscribing for more awesome content. Thank you for watching. New viewers, consider subscribing to join our community. We appreciate your support. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow car enthusiasts.